Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering a 10 mm socket, Phillips screwdriver, trim tool, and gloves. This saves time once you begin. First, disconnect the negative battery terminal. This prevents shorting while you work. Next, reach into the wheel well and remove the inner fender clips, then undo the 4 bumper fasteners. Doing these in sequence gives clear access to the fog light housing. Once done, make sure the bumper is supported and can be moved slightly outward to expose the assembly. With the bumper eased forward, locate the fog lamp assembly and identify the 2 or 3 retaining screws or plastic clips that hold it. You unplug the electrical connector by pressing the release tab, pull straight, never pry the wires. This prevents damage. Then remove the retaining screws with the 10 mm or a Phillips driver and gently rotate the housing outward. Doing this clears any tabs. If the housing is stiff, wiggle it while supporting the bumper so clips aren't stressed. Once the housing is out, reach to the rear and twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to remove the bulb. Note orientation for replacement. When reinstalling, reverse the steps. Seat the housing, tighten screws snug, not over-torqued, and push the bumper and clips back into position. Reconnect the negative battery last, then test the fog light to confirm operation. If it does not power, check the connector for corrosion, inspect the fog fuse, and ensure the bulb is fully seated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.